buddy, I'm on a lifestyle shoot right now in a McLaren, so can I call you back? Where is she? Come on, Jen, where are you? What the heck's going on?
Well, hey, Mark.
What the heck?
What do you mean?
Looks amazing. I thought we had talked about coming in on electric.
You said you upgraded to electric. I didn't know you meant scooter electric.
This is how we roll. No, that's how we roll.
This is how you roll.
Nice. I like that.
I like it too. It matched my dress, but wait till you see what's inside. Here at O'Gara, they have toys for everybody. You ready to go in and check it out?
Heck yeah, let's check it out. Let me get rid of this thing. Hey Jen, how about that ride in?
Oh. Well, it was perfect for me. I mean, talk about having a great day, or shall I say super day, because look at this place, supercar heaven.
Yeah, absolutely.
So Jeremy, you have like the dream job. I would say you get to hang around with these beautiful cars all day.
Yes, yes indeed. I'm very thankful every day to be here in La Jolla, the jewel nonetheless, surrounded by Lamborghinis, Rolls-Royce, Bentleys, Bugattis, you name it.
Now, I've driven by O'Gara a dozen times. I've never been in here, and I don't know why you were keeping this a secret from me.
I know. It's incredible. Every time I drive by, the kids are like, Dad, Lambo, you know, Bugatti, you know, whatever, and stuff like that. So it's actually great. We had family in town last week, and they came over here just to walk through, because it's such a beautiful spot. I mean, right here on La Jolla Boulevard, as you drive by, you just see all these beautiful colors and cars and stuff. So yeah, we're here now.
You can't beat it. You have La Jolla, you have beautiful homes in the neighborhood and beautiful cars. So what do you guys have here at O'Gara? I've heard the name in Los Angeles before. You guys have been in the car business for a while.
We have. So the O'Gara name, you know, started out in Los Angeles. Tom has been selling vehicles there in the 70s, 80s, through the 90s. Very, very successful operation, of course. We have a facility in Westlake Village, close to Calabasas, and then we opened this facility in 2015. So very happy to be here in La Jolla. We carry Lamborghini, Rolls-Royce, Bentley, Bugatti, and then we recently opened our McLaren operation in November. So very happy to have all these brands under one roof here in the San Diego area.
Lamborghini has a good backstory and brand. So does Bugatti. The fact that you carry Bugatti says a lot. Not a lot of people carry Bugatti because they're not just around.
There's just not the kind of clientele that would be able to just come in and say, I want a Bugatti, for instance. And Bugatti is not the kind of company that's going to manufacture a vehicle for us to just have an inventory, essentially. So, as you said earlier, extremely bespoke, you know, vehicle ordering process, sitting them down about building that vehicle out, sending them to the factory in Multheim, getting a full experience, really just kind of representing the brand in the best way possible. And having the Bugatti out of Beverly Hills and in San Diego area really kind of taps the market for the clientele for that type of vehicle.
Wow, and now you guys have launched the McLaren here in La Jolla. McLaren was not in La Jolla previously, correct?
No. Clients, well, our new McLaren clients in the area would typically have to travel all the way up to Orange County for that kind of, you know, for the McLaren brand. So we're very happy to have a very well-established McLaren base here in San Diego that can now access not only our dealership, but also our service facility as well.
So what do you think of the new McLaren, the 720S?
Oh, I think the 720S Spider in particular is an absolutely fantastic car. I mean, weighing in at just over 3,200 pounds with 700 horsepower to the rear wheels. I mean, we're talking literally performance that just absolutely blows a lot of the different, you know, vehicles in that segment out of the water. So very exciting times for the brand indeed.
Okay, so Mark, would you take out the new 720S on a racetrack or out on the road if you had the opportunity?
If you gave me the keys to that car, heck yeah, I'd be out there in a second.
Yeah, but you guys have access to a racetrack, correct?
We do indeed. So there is a private track out in Thermal, just outside of Palm Springs area, the Thermal Club. And so a very unique opportunity for our clients who purchase cars through our dealership to have very dynamic experiences out there on track, on the skid pads. So very, very exciting. It, here at O'Gara, we try to be a very experience-based brand dealership, essentially. So
should we get this experience on the road?
yeah, of course. You ready for go for a spin in the 720S Spider?
I'm ready.
Well, it's only a 2-seater.
I'm not going on the bird again.
All right, Mark, you take it on. Thanks, Jeremy, for having us.
Of course,
really
anytime.
appreciate it. And
More than happy to help out as best I can, but looks like somebody's gonna be riding
go,
bird
bro.
out of here.
Hey buddy, I'm on a lifestyle shoot right now in a McLaren, so can I call you back? Jesus. Just another day in a McLaren.